Okay, so in this video we'll learn about something called uh, Python set operations. Okay, so we'll be learning about Python set operations. So first we will be learning about what is a union. Okay, so first we'll learn about union. Now let me take two sets. Let me have this set 1 and let's say set B. So this is my set A and then set B. So union basically it include all the element of set A and B. So all element of set A and B. So that is what the union means. So if I try to this and this as well. So this is our union operator. Okay, so this is basically our union, and we'll talk about the other operation which is called the intersection, which is called set intersection. So intersection. Okay, you can mind my handwriting. I'll try my best to. Okay, so intersection is basically, this is a set A and this is set B. So this is set A and this is set B. So intersection of two sets A and B includes the common elements between set A and B. So the common element would be, okay, so this is the common element. So that is our intersection of A and B. And third one we'll see is the difference between two sets. So diff between two sets. So diff between two sets. Okay, so if I do have two sets, set A and B. Let me just create it as such. Yeah, so set A and set B. Okay, now if I am finding A minus B, so then this value will be this only. So this set A minus B basically turns out to be elements of set A that are not present in set B. Okay, and one more type we'll be learning about is a set symmetric difference. Okay, set symmetric difference. Set symmetric difference. So let's have two set. Okay, so this will be this and this. Okay, so this won't be the difference between two set A and B includes all the elements of A and B without the common elements. So that is the difference between four type of set operations. So next video we'll look into the example in Python. See you in another video.